Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day here at my 2021 Kia Seltos SX, and today we are talking about a back car seat cover for pets, or you just want to protect it because you're moving, or you just want to also, you may go to the beach and you have a wet bathing suit, you want to protect the car, and I'm really excited to share with you about this pet and backseat car cover. I will put a link in the description, so after my video you can then check it out, and if it makes sense you can order it. If you find this video of help to you, please give it a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel and the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos as I continue to come out with ones just like this. So this is a universal size. I've got a smaller size SUV, but it will work in a truck, larger SUV, or a car. The material is an eco-friendly 600D Oxford fabric that can prevent the car interior from being scratched by your pet's claws. No more worries about liquid, hair, dirt, and other filth. It can also be easily cleaned as well. And it's something that's great to have and put it in your trunk, and so when you need it, you can put it on. Or if you've got that dog that has a lot of hair and makes your mess of your car, you can just keep this on the back seat all the time. So let's go ahead and set it up, and well, here we go. So here it is, all packaged up. It's got this bungee that, so it looks like they've got 3 bungees to keep it wrapped up. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put it on the back seat. Now it's also has sections where you can have access to your seatbelt. So it's a really nice material, by the way, very nice, and I really like the look of it. It's got a nice stitching pattern to it. On the bottom, it should have here, it should have this anti-slip material. So we'll put this across the bottom. And then let's see, we're gonna go ahead and put these straps. These will go over the back seat here. They do have adjustments, by the way, so you can easily adjust and you can unlock and unlock. So that's a good thing. And we'll tighten this up a little bit, make sure it goes nice and high. And there we go. All right. So that will cover the back seat. Now, also what is nice as well, actually I'll show you that here in a minute. So there we go. Now this is, again, you have this anti-slip material here on the bottom, and then you also have this over here, which you can put up when you close the door. So you can have it sitting like this, and that will protect the door from getting scratched. Okay, so I had to go ahead and open my window so I could show you. So here you can see it's not zipped, but you do have this side panel. But let me go ahead and put this side up as well. This also has the ability to open and close. It's got a snap open close, and then you can adjust for making sure that it fits the back side of the seat as well. So you're really protecting your car in the back area here. And again, you can, one of the things which I wish it had, as I've seen with others, where this side panel zips up, this one does not have a zip. So you can just leave it like that, but it does have the side section as well. All right, now let me go ahead and we'll do the side here. So as far as this material, because I have used others, and this is a much nicer material. I think people that would sit on this, it's not going to be as hot and itchy. I really think they've done a nice job with the material. I just, with this here and this flap, I wish there was just a way that could be zipped. But, again, when you close the door, it should cover it somewhat. But there's that. Now, you also have this Velcro section here, which you will have access to your seatbelt. So there is the bottom of the seatbelt there, as well as on this side as well. So I'd have to work with that. Now there is on the bottom side here, there is this, and that would then get tucked in. I think you can tuck that in underneath the seat so that keeps it in play and it doesn't pop out. And then again, you could reach for your seatbelt right there. Here we go. I was trying to look for the seatbelt. So you got your seatbelt connector right there, and also here on the bottom, which is great. Again, you've got the whole back side here. You got the back of the front seats, and then this is very comfortable. And then if you want to keep this on in your car, so you might have some company, you could just take this part off, leave it like this. You can still use the seat belt, and protects the back seat. And again, this is a really nice material. I think they've done a really great job. And there you go. So I definitely give it a thumbs up. The only thing, again, is just be aware that this side panel does not zip up. But otherwise, a really nice seat cover. And hopefully this video will be a help to you. Let me know if you have any questions. Check it out. Boy, it's a little humid out here. Anyway, I appreciate your time. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Take care.